Welcome to National Day Calendar, where today is National Clean Out Your Computer Day. On every second Monday in February, National Clean Out Your Computer Day promotes taking time out of your day to do some basic housekeeping on your computer. Hashtag Clean Out Your Computer Day. All computers need regular organizing and cleanup. This includes the removal of old files and clutter, and ex-boyfriends and exes and anything you don't want in there, like emails, documents, photos. Clean out your cache on your phone. Clean out the messages on your phone. They have a trash too, on Android anyway. How to observe Clean Out Your Computer Day. Take a look at your files and programs on your computers and phones. If you work in an office, encourage your peers to do the same. Share tips and tricks to efficient computer cleanup. Organize your files and folders. Review your emails and delete any that are no longer needed. Delete junk files. You can also remove duplicate files. Delete old files and programs not being used on your phone and your computer, because your phone is a computer too. Update the programs you do use. Use hashtag Clean Out Your Computer Day to post on social media. Often we keep duplicates we don't need. Old programs also create havoc too. Make sure you are using the latest versions of programs and operating systems also. Hashtag Chico Chad. Peace.